Hello, my topic is about using brain networks to predict balance control in aging and Parkinson's disease. Postural control gets impaired with aging, leading to falls and injury. To make things worse, balance is impaired even more in people with Parkinson's disease as they are unable to modify their poor postural control. Moreover, many domains of balance control are affected by PD. With improvement in technology, wearable sensors provide comprehensive data about balance impairments. For example, postural sway, captured using wearable sensors worn in the trunk, show that people with Parkinson's disease have larger sway area compared to their age-matched older adults. Now, balance control involves controlling equilibrium and orientation and a variety of tasks or domains. Combination of these main domains of postural control for standing, postural transitions, postural responses, and dynamic stability during gait all result in balance. And all of these domains depend upon having an adequate balance property. Also, balance is not a reflex or a single brain function, but consists of complex integration of brain regions that are involved in most voluntary and involuntary movements. But it is not yet known which specific brain network controls balance, but many parts of the brain are involved. So the objective of my study was to predict brain networks associated with 3 domains of postural control in people with Parkinson's disease and older adults. For the brain imaging data, we use state-of-the-art technology to map the brain into established stable networks and draw functional connectivity between those networks. For methods, we used partial least square regression analysis to predict balance measures using the brain networks. We had independent training and test data set for the Parkinson's and the controlled subjects. And within the training data set, we had leave 3 out cross-validation method and also 10,000 null data simulation performed. With those results, we evaluated the performance in the independent test data set. In terms of results, we found that connectivity between frontoparietal and ventral attention-related regions to predict postural adjustments in people with Parkinson's, whereas in older adults, the expected somatomotor and tonic attention-related networks predicted postural adjustments. For postural responses, in people with PD, connectivity between the visual and thalamocortical subcortical regions and auditory and thalamocortical subcortical regions predicted postural responses. For postural sway, connectivity between the ventral attention and ventral multimodal region predicted postural sway. And all these scatter plots show the correlation between observed and predicted balance outcomes. In older adults, we did not find any significant predictions for postural responses and postural sway. To conclude, we found that people with Parkinson's have different networks predicting postural adjustments compared to their age-matched older adults. And moreover, people with Parkinson's also have different networks predicting different domains of balance. Involvement of these higher-order attention networks in Parkinson's may be a compensation for the impaired subcortical and basal ganglia networks in the brain. For further details, feel free to reach me at my email address. And finally, I would like to thank my team members for all the support and guidance throughout the years. Thank you.